John, the fluids found in Janine came from you. We ran the DNA.
What?
That's right, John. And you said it's been a week since you last had sex. So, we've got a problem here.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes. You want to change the story now?
Wait. I'm sorry. You're right. We did have sex. I forgot. It was the night before she was killed.
You forgot. You didn't remember till just now.
But wait. I didn't finish.
Hold on 1 second. Last night, we asked you for a DNA sample. You didn't seem to remember this then.
You said you found semen. It couldn't have been mine.
Not semen, John. But there's always fluid prior to ejaculation. Did you use a condom?